Hi everyone, today I have for you an Art Deco pocket watch. It's a Zentra in a very nice case, very beautifully engraved and in very good shape, near flawless. As you can see, it's a full hunter pocket watch made in the 30s. It houses the caliber 13. Very well preserved pocket watch. It's a gold-plated pocket watch with a beautiful metal dial that it's a skin changer. Very beautiful pocket watch indeed. Yeah, you can see, and the inner cover, it says Zentra. It's gold-plated, as I mentioned before. Very beautiful dial, very nice shape, and it's well preserved. It has almost no patina. The numerals are gold-plated also, and they are still in a very good state. As you can see, the cover opens at the 90 degree, no more. Very nice pocket watch. This is the front of the watch. Yeah. This is the back. Looks like a cheese table. I'm trying to open the cover in order to show the movement. I think I did it. This is the dust cover. It is written Hans Warstadt. Maybe it was a German guy. Here is the gold-plated case. "20 microns. Very well preserved. It has some minor scratches on the dust cover. Very minor scratches. You can see that is well preserved. Has some markings from the previous watchmakers that worked on this pocket watch. And voila, the movement. It's in great state. It says Zentra 13. It's not winded. Let's wind it, and it starts quickly. It has a very nice ticking. The sheep and the cows are starving. Oh, this is the movement. Very nice one. Very clean also. Very clean. Look at that. How beautiful it is. Has a very nice ticking. This camera is not so good. try to zoom out, but I don't know what's happening. Anyway, look at that. How gorgeous it is and simple. So guys, this is the pocket watch. I hope you enjoy it. It's a very nice one, very well preserved. Pocket watch. Very good shape, as you can see. I wish you to have a nice day. Stay safe. Please comment, like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you want, if you like this video. Thank you guys. Have a beautiful day.